Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious baked beignets. Unlike their traditional fried counterparts, these offer a lighter, less greasy experience, perfect for any time of day. We'll walk through each step, from activating the yeast to achieving that perfect golden brown finish. Get ready to create a delightful, fluffy pastry right in your own kitchen, bringing a taste of New Orleans home with minimal fuss. First, activate your yeast in warm milk with a pinch of sugar. This ensures a good rise. Next, combine your dry ingredients, flour, sugar, and a touch of salt. Once the yeast is foamy, mix it with melted butter and an egg into your dry ingredients. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic, then place it in a greased bowl to rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has completed its first rise, gently punch it down and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut the dough into 2-inch squares. Arrange these squares on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving some space between each. Allow them to rise for a second time for about 30 minutes. Then, bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until golden. As soon as your beignets come out of the oven, while they are still warm, generously dust them with a cloud of powdered sugar. This classic finish is essential for that authentic beignet experience. Serve them immediately to enjoy their light, fluffy texture and delicate sweetness. They pair wonderfully with a hot cup of coffee or rich hot chocolate. For any leftovers, store them in an airtight container, though they are truly best enjoyed fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.